Alright, so here's a carrier air conditioner. I had another. Oh, this is an old Payne. Thought this was a carrier. This is another Habitat Restore that has a Casablanca Panama 5 from 2004, which is I can't buy because I don't have enough money for it. I didn't bring any money with me, and my dad only brought $2 with him, so whatever, we can't buy it. I'll try and come back here next time. This is a 4-ton from 2008. I figured. Kind of thought this was a Payne after I started looking at it some more before I shot the video, but you know, it has a, I believe that's a scroll compressor. Yep, coupling scroll. We may or may not install the Cool King window air conditioner today. I'll see what we can do about that, though. But, you know. So there you guys go. Over and out.